I'm just going to throw something out there. Ignorance of the law does not change if the law applies to you. So I had a consultation yesterday with someone asking about day rates and overtime. Day rates are allowable as long as the employee is making at least minimum wage. But that does not exclude an employer from still having to pay the employee overtime if the employee is non-exempt. Now, there have been many cases brought against certain companies, for example, many oil and gas companies, where they were doing day rates for inspectors and not paying overtime. Again, there's no exclusion for overtime for non-exempt employees. At the federal level, this is anything worked over 40 hours in a work week has to be paid at 1.5 times the employee's regular rate of pay. So if you have a day rate employee, what you need to do is calculate the day rate times the number of days worked in the work week. Divide that by the total number of hours worked. This is your regular rate of pay. For all the hours worked over 40 in the work week, multiply that number by your regular rate of pay by 0.5. Why 0.5? Well, you've already paid them 1 time in the day rate, so you just owe them the additional 0.5 times for the overtime hours. So if the employee worked 60 hours in a week, you would take the day rate, say they worked 5 days, take the day rate, multiply it by 5, divided by 60. That is your regular rate. Take that regular rate, divide by 2 or multiply by 0.5, same outcome. And that is going to be your overtime premium rate. Multiply that by the number of hours worked over 40 in the work week. So if they work 60, this would be times 20. And add that to their total pay. Do not miss this step. The wage claims can be huge. And you really don't want to have to deal with that. It's not just the money, but you're also going to lose your employees. You're going to develop a negative reputation for your business, and you're not going to be able to find new employees to replace the ones that you're losing. At the end of the day, although it may cost more, it pays to be in compliance, and it's only going to benefit your business in the long term. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Just sitting over here waiting for someone to ask me some payroll questions. You can also find us online at valorpayrollsolutions.com.